In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Model Context Protocol, or MCP server in Figma, and connect it to your AI coding tools. This setup allows your editor to understand the exact design context from Figma, including spacing, components, variables, and layout structure, so it can generate more accurate code. Before getting started, you need to know that both the desktop MCP server and the remote MCP server require a full or dev seat in Figma. Without the proper seat, the feature won't be available in Dev Mode. You have two options when setting up the MCP server, the desktop server or the remote server. The desktop server is recommended if you're working locally with the Figma desktop application. To enable it, open the Figma desktop app and load any design file. Then switch to Dev Mode using the toggle in the toolbar or by pressing Shift-D. Once you're in Dev Mode, look at the right sidebar in the Inspect panel. You'll see a section for the MCP server. Click Enable Desktop MCP Server. After activation, Figma will display a confirmation message along with a local URL. In most cases, the address will look like http://127.0.0.1:3845/MCP. Copy that URL because you'll need it to connect your AI tool. If you prefer to work in the browser or need remote access, you can use the remote MCP server instead. Open a design file in your browser, switch to Dev Mode, and in the right panel, click Set up an MCP client. Figma will provide a remote URL, typically https://mcp.figma.com/mcp. This version doesn't rely on your local machine and is ideal for browser-based workflows. Once you have your MCP URL, the next step is to connect it to your AI editor, which acts as the MCP client. If you're using Cursor, open Settings, then Cursor Settings, and navigate to MCP Tools. Click Add New Global MCP Server. Enter a name like Figma-Desktop and paste the MCP URL you copied earlier. If prompted for a connection type, choose SSE. Once configured correctly, your connection should activate immediately. If you're using Visual Studio Code, make sure you have the Figma for VS Code extension installed and GitHub Copilot enabled. Open the command palette using Control or Command plus Shift plus P. Search for MCP:/add server. Select HTTP as the type and paste your Figma MCP URL. Name it Figma-Desktop and confirm. Your editor will now be linked to Figma. If you're using Claude Code, you'll configure it directly from the terminal. Run the command to add a new MCP server using HTTP transport. Provide a name like Figma-Desktop and paste your MCP URL. After running the command, restart Claude Code to make sure the new configuration is applied properly. Once everything is connected, the real power of MCP becomes clear. When you select a layer or frame inside Figma, your AI assistant can access the design context of that specific selection. That means it understands spacing values, layout structure, variables, tokens, and components. Instead of generating generic code, it can now produce code that closely matches your actual design system. Setting up the MCP server may take a few minutes, but once it's done, it creates a direct bridge between design and development. It reduces guesswork, improves accuracy, and helps you move from Figma to production-ready code much faster.